Hello guys, welcome back. It's your favorite guy, Ebenezer Earthlink, and you're welcome. Alright, so in this particular video guys, I'll be showing us how to make money online as a freelancer. Now when people hear the word make money online, all they think is Bitcoin, forex trading and digital marketing. Alright, now in this particular video guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually get paid by having a skill. Alright, so I'm going to show you the nitty-gritties from A to Z of how you can actually get paid once you have a skill. Alright, so if you want to watch this and get value, you want to get value from this video, be sure to watch it to the end. But then if you're not interested in getting value, if you're looking for something else, for something entertaining, be sure to get to the next post. Alright, now know that this video is not for you, but if you're here to get value, this video is for you. Now without wasting much of your time guys, I'm going to head on right now and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know in step by step. Alright, now but before I do that guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Earthlink. That's in case you were seeing me for the first time. My name is Ebenezer Earthlink, and one thing I do on this particular channel is that I create awesome videos that are centered around making money online. Alright, so if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that when next I upload a new video on how to make money online guys, you get notified. Alright, so guys, if you still want value, now watch to the end. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back, and the first question you might be asking yourself is, what is freelancing? Now freelancing is actually a business model where you get to work for a company and you get paid. Now you're not working for them on full-time basis, you're actually working for them based off project basis. Alright, you're working for them on project basis, and at the end of the day, at the end of the time that your work for them is over, you get paid. Alright, so that's basically how freelancing does work. Now the person who is actually doing the work, right, you who is actually interested in freelancing, you who does the work for the company, is actually a freelancer. You're called a freelancer. Alright, so now who can do freelancing? Anybody can do freelancing, as long as you know if you're in Nigeria right now, as long as you're done with your secondary school education and you got whatever it is you were given to right there in secondary school, you can actually do freelancing and you can actually get paid any amount. It's unlimited. All right, some persons have actually earned $100,000 doing this. I've actually been a freelancer. Yeah, I've not earned up to $100,000 being a freelancer, but what I've earned on doing freelance business is actually something very great, and you can actually do the same thing. All right, so you can actually do this remotely right from the comfort of your home. Right, you don't need to step out, you don't need to go anywhere. You can do this right from the comfort of your home, and all you need to do is you need to have a skill. Right, so in this particular video guys, I'm going to tell you the skills. I'm going to tell you a few skills, and then you can go ahead to check out skills that you can actually do. All right, I'm going to tell you how you can get this client, how you can get people to hire you for a job, and you do this job right from the comfort of your home. So if you're a graphic designer, this is going to work for you. If you design websites, this is going to work for you. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the details right now, and I've actually stated it down. Just like I told you earlier guys, I said you can do this without a degree. You're done with secondary school, that you can speak good English, you can interact, you can communicate with people. This is going to work for you, and you should learn a skill. If you don't have a skill before now, you should learn a skill, and you have a skill already. Now what you're going to do is you're actually going to start making money with your skill. It's that simple. All right, so you can do this, you can work this remotely. Yeah, do this from anywhere, right from the comfort of your home. So the first thing I'm going to tell you to do if you want to start freelancing is you should get to work right now. Don't wait till you're perfect. Now some people will actually wait and they'll be like, okay, I have a graphic design skill, I just got through learning it and I don't have much experience. You are not going to get experience if you don't search for experience, and the experience you're going to get is when you start doing jobs for professionals. Yeah, you get more experience, you find a way around problems, you already have the skills, but when you start, you already started. So there's no perfect time. There's no perfect time. Don't wait till you're perfect. Start now. All right, you can actually start when you're done with this video. And I'm going to say this before I continue. If I'm going to create 30 videos or 300 videos right on this channel that are based off making money online, and you watch 3 of them and then you don't put into action whatever it is I show you in this particular channel, you're not going to make money, because you don't make money just watching these videos. Yeah, I know there are strategies that help you to make money online by just watching YouTube videos, but this is not what we're talking about right now. You don't just watch these videos and do nothing and expect to make money. Even the videos you watch, even the videos you watch and make money, there are things you need to do first before you watch those videos and make money. All right, so be sure to be ready to put in the work to start working right now. All right, so the next thing you should do, is make your research. All right, now this video is going to give, I'm going to give you the information I have, what I know so far, but is it everything you need? No, it's not everything you need. So you need to learn to make your own research as a freelancer. All right, so I know we're not just right there into the main thing why you're here, because I know the reason why you're here is because you want to know how you can actually do freelancing. I'm gonna get to that point. Okay, so meet people who need your services. All right, so while you're waiting to actually get online and do the services online, meet people who actually need your services offline. Okay, get to know these people who need the services. Your graphic designer, there are people who need banner. Your church people need banner. Your school, they need some places in your school need flyers. You actually design this for them, and keep compiling it, keep getting the experience. That's also freelancing, but that is offline. All right, now you can actually do this freelancing online, and I'm going to tell you how and where you can actually do this freelancing online. All right, okay. Create a demo for what you're doing. Right, create a demo for what you're doing. Now you need to start. Okay, let's say you're designing website. Okay, let's say you design graphics. Get some graphic design things for companies, like for imaginary company. Like these companies are not yet there, but they're imaginary companies. You can actually design stuffs for them and keep it. All right. Now you're just starting it up because you want, when every person now comes to you to say, okay, I know this job. What have you done in the past? You're just going to pull up the things you've done for yourself. Now, this is why I'm not going to go into research and to check if they are real companies. You're gonna put up this content you've created, this designs you've made in the past, and you're just gonna show it. And once they are eye-catching, once they are great, you're gonna get the clients. That's how it works. People want to see what you've done before. All right. So because you don't have the clients first, do something for yourself and keep it, so that when someone who wants to hire you get in touch with you, show them what you've done in the past, and you're good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you the next freelance website where you're going to get on and start making money. Yeah, they took lights, so the places, the background color has actually changed a little bit. So the next thing, but the fun part is that you're seeing my face, right? Okay, so the next thing, the skills you can actually get, I'm just going to mention but a few. You can actually go ahead and research for different skills that you can actually get. Now, the first thing is programming. That is creating websites, creating apps. Go learn programming, via coding. Upskill yourself, get skilled up, and you can actually go to the platforms I'm going to call next and sign up with these platforms and start making money. It's that simple. All right. Now, the next thing is graphic design. I've mentioned graphic design since I started this with this discussion. And, video editing, right? Writing articles, and so I just mentioned but a few. Writing articles, and these are the things I've actually offered, and some of them I'm still offering as a freelancer. So you can actually choose any of them. The reason why I mentioned them, for me, they are high income freelancing services that you can actually offer right there on freelance websites. All right, so let's continue right now. And there are freelance platforms you can actually get onto and start making money. But before I still mention that, I'm going to mention that next. I was supposed to mention it right now, but before I mention that, I'm going to talk about your social media accounts. If you're on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, be sure that those accounts are not just accounts where you get on to have fun. Yeah, gone are those days where you just go on Facebook and have fun. All right, your Facebook profile should represent what you do. All right, so show us what you do, show people what you do, because these are places where your clients tend to go to and check you out. All right, these are places where they tend to go to and check you out. Go to your social media. Your social media should look like that of a graphic designer. Talk about graphic design on your profile, on your timeline on Facebook. All right, if you're doing any other thing, talk about it on your Facebook. I'm not just saying that you should just stack things and just make sure I'm not just saying you don't have a fun life, all right? Your fun life should be centered around what you do, all right? Simple times, what I'm saying is that you should brand your social media. Now, the platforms, I'm going to mention just 5 platforms that you can actually get onto. Now, I'm going to recommend that if you're going to join these platforms, you should join just like a minimum of 3 and a max of 5. Right, the reason why you should join a minimum of 3 and a max of 5 is that these platforms, there are people who are already on these platforms before you, all right, and you may not be able to stand the competition with just one. So just open like 3 of them, fix yourself on these 3 platforms, and when you position yourself there, jobs are going to come. You just need to be patient. Jobs are going to come, and you start doing the jobs, and Yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to show you in the next video. I'm going to show you what to do to tweak these platforms. All right, I don't want this video to be that long, so I'm just going to talk about freelancing for beginners. All right, okay. So the platforms are okay. The platforms I've actually used. I've used Fiverr. I've used Upwork, I've used People Per Hour. These are the three that I've actually used. Now you can also use Freelancer. Freelancer is a freelancing platform. You can check it out, freelancer.com, and you can also check TopTal.com. I've not used TopTal.com, and I've not used Freelancer.com, but I've used the first three that I called Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. So you can actually check them out. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to say is you need to experiment, try other things out. If you have a skill on graphic design, maybe you should also try UI UX design. All right, don't just wait with one skill. Get skilled up, upskill, get a lot of skills. They're gonna help you. Okay, get one or two skills, experiment on those skills, see what works and what doesn't work. Don't just open your profile as a freelancer online on those platforms I've mentioned and just fold your hands. No, experiment, see what works and what doesn't work. Okay, now the next one is go for what people want. Yes, go for what people want. Be sure to go for skills that people want. There are skills that are in demand, because you don't want to go for a skill that you only want. No, you want a skill that your clients work. So go out there, find what works for others, try it out. You're not to invent the wheel, you're not to do a new thing. You just go out there to do what already works. All right, and if you're doing what already works, what's going to make you special is tweak it, make it more enticing, make it more appealing, and you're good to go. All right, now the next thing, which is actually the last one, is that if you want to be a freelancer, you need to be patient, because I'm not going to give you a guarantee that once you start your freelancing journey that you're going to make your first $1,000 in 5 months. You may not. In 5 months you may actually make $200, but if you put in the work, the extra work, that's what separates you from the rest of the people on the platform. Extra work. All right, if you put in the work, experiment, do everything it is I've shown you right in this particular video. Now guys, there is no magic, there is no secret out there. It's just these things I've actually told you. So if you can be patient while implementing the secrets, this is gonna work for you. All right, so guys, that is it guys. I know I've actually taken time. It was supposed to be more like a 5-7 minutes video, but right now it's like 12-13 minutes video. So guys, having said all of this so far, in the next series guys, what I'm going to try to do is I'm actually going to go into details, talk about these platforms, how they've helped me along the line, and how you can actually use these platforms. But this is more like an intro into the playlist. So for now guys, you're going to make your research. Now that I've not made the video, you can actually watch other videos on the things I've actually talked about. So you don't need to watch just my videos. All right, you can watch other videos, get insights from other people, not just me. All right, so once you've done that, work on yourself, and that is it. So I'm actually going to allow you to do so. Right now it's gonna be a peace out from me, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Peace out.